Yeah? Tell me what colors are in the book.
Blue.
That's right.
Yellow.
That's right, Finn.
Wait.
That's right.
Green.
Green.
Pink.
Fire engine, that's right, Finn.
Block.
Yep, that's right, they're blocks.
Red. Brown.
That's green, honey.
Green. Purple.
That's right, purple.
Red.
That's right.
Brown.
Brown.
Yellow. Pink. Blue.
Blue, that's right.
Black.
Black.
Red.
That's right, Finn.
Yellow. Purple. Brown. Butterfly. Blue. Brown.
Umbrella, that's right.
Tree. Tree. Tomato.
What color are the grapes?
Blue. Purple.
Purple, that's
Purple.
right.
Purple.
I love you, Finn.
Purple.